We spend a lot of our time just waiting. Waiting seems like a waste of time, but patience is a good thing. It's a chilly chill one today, guys. We got our hoodie on and it's still feeling a bit kind of breezy and cold and all. It just rained yesterday. We'll hopefully work up a sweat to where we can accumulate to this weather. Anyway, or acclimate to this weather. We're just taking a morning walk to this park, Woodwork, or what's it called, Wildwood Park. We're walking to right now. It's about like an hour walk away, but it's supposed to be like a nice park with some rivers and lakes and stuff. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me and check out this beautiful site today. If you haven't already noticed, we're here in Harrisburg, PA, just enjoying the nature. And well, walking on the side of the highway. So we'll be there soon. Just wanted to show you guys some deer. Got some deer. Oh, deer. The wildlife of Pennsylvania. Pretty freaking wild. Well, it turns out that trail seems to be more for deer. We're back on the highway again, walking down this road, and well, eventually we'll be able to cross over on the bridge that should be coming up pretty soon. Yeah. Oh, pretty foresty exit right there. Yeah, not all trails are meant for humans. But sometimes you can turn a deer trail or animal trail into one. Not all the time though. Shoo! Check out this nature. And you see a gas station over there. Well, we got some binoculars over there. Let's see if they work. So teach us to number our days, that we may apply our hearts unto wisdom. This is quite exciting. It's like, what is next? What will be next? Oh yeah, this is my type of jam lately. Wow, this picture is stunning. It has a crispy feel to it, but not too crunchy of a crisp, but more of a soft crisp, kind of like biting into a granola bar or maybe just some chips that have been sitting in some water. I don't know, something like this. Something like that reminds me of this picture right here. A nice, crisp, but yet damp feel to this. Oh yeah. Pretty crunchy. Alright guys, we've made it all the way to the northern point of Wildwood Park. We started our day right here around the nature center lot, checked out the boardwalks, and then made all our way through these trails to right here, the Susquehanna Spillway. I'm assuming that's that right there. Pretty peaceful. Walking around in my cowboy boots, which are really just Jordans that have been used. Many steps playing basketball, the other steps are doing it all. I'm back on the road, looking cold, more just like I'm so cool and old. Grumpy grandpa style on the country rides. Here I go, walking around in my cowboy boots, which are really just Jordans, and that have been walking around in my cowboy boots, which are really just Jordans that have been used. Many steps playing basketball, the other steps are doing it all. I'm back on the road, the country road. I'm feeling so fine and I'm feeling too old to be messing around, hickory dickory. I'm just here, just being me, feeling the scenery on the road with my cowboy boots. I'm over this bullshit, so I'm on the move. I'm living this country lifestyle with some hay in my mouth. It's cause I don't smoke any more cigarettes. I'm just outside living this dream, American dream, walking all around looking at green and all these cows and all these horses. I guess I really am a cowboy that just been divorced, and I'm all alone with nature on my side. I feel like this my means of pride. My means my pride. And then I be like, alright, I don't gotta hide. I'm over here, you can look me straight in the eye and know that I'm fly forever. Back on the road, the country road, walking around in my cowboy boots, which are really just Jordans that have been used. Many steps playing basketball, the other steps are doing it all. And I'm like, hey, hey.